Hey Albert, hey track fans, Wilfred, you alright son? Right then, so I've got a little bit of a dilemma this morning. I thought I'd do a quick episode on it because I know some of you guys might have these challenges as well with your cars as you race them, run them ragged and get them a bit old and battered. So, I'm going to switch the camera around, I'm going to talk you through the issue I've got this morning and let's see if we can do a repair on it, show you guys what I'm doing so you can do the same if you've got a problem your end. Right, let's have a look at the car. So, here's the car, the Mercedes AMG GT3, and you can see it's battered because it's all scratched on the window screen. You see that a part of the spoiler is missing, but that's okay because we've got another bit of spoiler that's holding it on. It doesn't matter, and you know when we race we generally take the spoilers out for longevity. So I just pop the spoiler back in, and if I put this on the track, what you see, oh, hello, good morning, turn that on, that's going to work. What we see is the lights aren't working. Can you see that? My front lights don't work anymore, whereas the back lights do. Can you see them turning on and off? So what we've got to do, track fans, what we've got to do, Albert, Wilfred, is we've got to get them front lights working on the Mercedes AMG GT3. Right, let's get into the workshop. Right then, track fans, hey Albert, Wilfred, we are back in a den, and as you can see we've got the AMG up on its tuning block. So first things to do, take the spoiler off, there you go, boom. Let's just take it off there. We're going to open up the inside. You know, you thought I'd have done this before to make it slick, wouldn't you, like previous episodes, but it's been a while since we've got inside under the hood of a car together. So we'll get that done today. Boom, all three of them are out. Let that last one go. He's still in there. Poke them out there. There you go. Right, I want to keep these safe. I'll put them just down the side. Okay, so we can see inside. We can clearly see what the problem is. Can you see that? Cool. Well, I just see you on all three cameras there. So what we need to do is we need to plug them into this little hooks here. You see those, Alb? See them, Wilfred? Right, we'll just wedge them in nicely. Let's have a quick look here, what's going on. Yeah, everything seems to be okay. Okay, so wedge them in there. Yeah, let's give you a close-up of what I'm doing here. One in there. Hang on. There you go. There you go. Right, so I'm not really that good at talking whilst doing. Is that a male multitasking thing there? Okay, so hopefully that should now work. Okay, let's go trackside and test out if that simple thing did the trick or not. Right, come on, let's go. Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. We're trackside. We're to see if the lights work. Yeah, the lights are working. Get in there. And we can see the back lights are working too. Fantastic. So just as simple as putting them back onto their mounts there and there where we just did on the camera. We've already got the lights working again, so it wasn't anything to do with circuitry. Here we are back in the game. Right, so I'm going to put the lid back on it, and then I'm going to see you trackside for the big test to see if the lights come through here. Now we've fitted them back on the front there. Perfect. Right, see you in a bit, guys. Okay, Albert, Wilfred, track fans, we've got the Mercedes AMG GT3 on the track, and we're going to see if those front lights are now working. Race regulations, you've got to have working lights front and back. So let's see if we comply. I'm going to just squeeze the trigger like this and see if them lights turn on. You ready? Oh, it's looking good. I'm just going to stop it as it drives up here. Oh, come on. Yeah, we've got lights, everyone. The lights are working. There you go. Cool. We sorted it, Albert. So, Wilfred and track fans, if your lights stop working, it might not even be a short circuit. It might just be as simple as the lights come out of the light bracket holder. So check this out again if you need the help. Go and fix your lights. Perfect. See you soon. Take it easy, guys.